Finding the right auto repair company is an important decision and something that should not be taken lightly. If you're like most people, you have concerns and questions that you'd like answered before choosing an auto repair shop. And we want to help by giving you the free report and checklist titled, How to Find the Right Auto Repair Company. This report provides a list of questions you should ask, and it contains a checklist to help you make the best decision possible. This guide is truly a must-have for anyone needing their vehicle repaired. To get your free report, simply complete the form on this page and download it now.